Supercharge your Windows 11 search experience with these 6 transformative tips. Filter search results using categories like settings, Bluetooth, for more precise findings. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO. For instant info such as weather or definitions, type your query directly into the search. Activate Cloud Search to integrate Bing, OneDrive, and more into your search results with Microsoft account. In the Cloud Content Search section, turn on the Microsoft account toggle. Enhance your search to cover your entire PC, ensuring no file goes unfound. Customize which folders to index for a tailored and efficient search experience. Rebuild your search index to keep results accurate and up to date, enhancing productivity.